Good morning and Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, open your book page number 59 and today we will do word problems. Solve the following word problems writing complete statements. So if you have missing work, you will write it on your notebooks. This full statement, you will write full statement first. First of all, you will write the topic and then you will write this question, solve the following word problem writing complete statements, and then you will write this full statement. Okay, so after writing this statement you will write its solution. So first of all we will see what is the statement. In a school of 1257 students, means there are 1257 students in a school. Total number of students are 1257 students in a school. This is the total strength of students in a school. But from these students, 629, only 629 students have pets. The other did not have. Only few students have pets. So if in the in a school there are 1257 strength of the students, from which only 629 students have pets, the others did not have the pets. Okay, so what we will do to understand how many students have pets and how many students did not have pets, obviously we will subtract it. Okay, so how many students do not have any pets? So we will write this number. First of all we will write the total number of students and then we will remove 629 students. We will subtract it and then we will see what is our answer. Okay students, if you have missing work, so you can do it with the date Friday 4th September 2020. Okay, and then you will write the topic word problem page number 59. There are only two word problems are included of this page 1 and 2. Okay, so in a school of the same statement. Okay, now we will solve it. So after writing this statement you will solve it. Solution. First of all we will write the place value ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So we will write the we will arrange the digits 1257 and then minus 600. 6 will come in 100 place. Be careful, okay, while you are writing the digits. So 629. We will not start it from here because 6 is in 100 place, so that's why we will always write the place value. Okay, 629. So we will subtract it. So because 7 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 out of 7 because 7 is smaller number. So we will take one number from this side, from 10 side. So it will be 4 and it will become 17. 17 minus 9 is how many? 8. Yes. And then 4 minus 2, how many? 2. Yes. Then okay, now this is 2 and this is 6. We cannot subtract this is small number and this is big number. So we will not subtract 6 out of 2. So what we will do, we will take carry from this number. So if we take if we have one pencil and I give this pencil to any other students, now I have any pencil? No. So this is also one number. So if we take one number over here, so we will, now we have nothing here in this 1000 place. So 12 minus 6 is 6 and here is no number. So you can write 0 or it, because it has no value. So in this way you will complete it. Okay students, look at the next question, next word problem. A milk van carried 3400 bottles of milk. The milkman delivered 1967 bottles. Okay, so how many total bottles of milk he have? He have 3400 total bottles, and from 3400 how many he delivered? He delivered 1967 bottles. So how many bottles were left? So how many milk bottles were left? So left means subtraction question, so we will subtract it to find. So first of all we will write the place value and then we will write the total bottles 3400 and 400 and how many bottles are delivered? 1967. So you can see students that 0 is smaller number. We cannot subtract 7 out of 0. Here again 0 is smaller, 6 is bigger number. Here again 4 is smaller, 9 is bigger number. So we cannot take carry from these numbers because they have the greater number down. So we will take this we will take carry from this number because it has a bigger number and below number is smaller, so we can take carry from this number. So we take carry, it will left 2. First of all, it became 14 number, and then we need to make it bigger number, so we take carry from this number, so it will left 13 and it will become 10. So because here we also need a bigger number, so we will take carry from this number, so 10 will be one number will minus, and so here we left 9 number and it will become 10. So 10 minus 7 is equals 3. 9 minus 6 is equals 3. 13 minus 9 is equals 4, and 2 minus 1 is equals 1. So how many bottles were left? 1433 and bottles. Okay, so students, we have already done these questions, so if you have missing work, you can complete it, okay, on your notebooks. I will send you the